Hey there, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Get ready to have your minds blown because the world of AI just got flipped on its head. Say hello to Deepseek-V3, the revolutionary AI agent that's about to change everything. And the best part? It's completely free. Deepseek-V3 isn't just another AI. It's your all-access pass to the future of problem-solving, creativity, and automation. Imagine a world where coding becomes a breeze, content creation is as easy as thinking, and even the most complex tasks are automated with a few clicks. That's the power of Deepseek-V3. This isn't science fiction, folks. Deepseek-V3 is the real deal, and it's here to empower everyone from seasoned developers to tech-savvy beginners. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow, unlock new levels of creativity, or simply explore the cutting edge of AI, Deepseek-V3 has you covered. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the exciting world of Deepseek-V3. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. Now that we've got your attention, let's talk about what makes Deepseek-V3 so special. This AI agent is packed with cutting-edge features that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. First up, we have the mind-boggling mixture of experts MOE model, boasting a massive 671 billion parameters. That's more brainpower than you can shake a stick at. This unique approach allows Deepseek-V3 to act like a team of specialized AI experts, each with its own area of expertise. Need to write some code? Deepseek-V3 has an expert for that. Need to generate a catchy marketing slogan? Deepseek-V3's got you covered. But wait, there's more. Deepseek-V3 also boasts multi-head latent attention, MLA, DeepSeek MOE architecture, and a host of other fancy-sounding features that basically translate to one thing: unparalleled AI performance. Deepseek-V3 isn't just powerful, it's also incredibly versatile. From coding assistance and content creation to chatbot development and even SEO optimization, Deepseek-V3 can handle it all. It's like having a Swiss knife of AI tools at your fingertips, ready to tackle any task you throw at it. We know what you're thinking. All this sounds great, but how does it actually work? Well, get ready for a quick peek under the hood, because Deepseek-V3's architecture is just as impressive as its capabilities. Imagine a well-oiled machine, each part working in perfect harmony to deliver lightning-fast performance and efficiency. That's Deepseek-V3 in a nutshell. Its multi-head latent attention, MLA, acts like a super-efficient air traffic controller, directing information flow with incredible precision. Meanwhile, the DeepSeek MOE architecture ensures that only the most relevant experts are called upon for each task, making Deepseek-V3 incredibly resource efficient. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Deepseek-V3 also utilizes FP8 mixed precision training and a novel multi-token prediction (MTP) objective. In simpler terms, this means Deepseek-V3 can process information faster and make more accurate predictions, even with complex tasks. And let's not forget Yarn, Deepseek-V3's secret weapon for context expansion. With Yarn, Deepseek-V3 can remember and understand vast amounts of information, making it ideal for tasks that require deep contextual understanding, like natural language processing and content generation. Okay, enough with the tech talk. Let's see Deepseek-V3 in action. This AI powerhouse is already making waves across various industries, transforming workflows and boosting productivity like never before. For developers, Deepseek-V3 is a game changer. Imagine having an AI assistant that can write code, debug errors, and even suggest optimizations in real time. With Deepseek-V3, coding becomes less about tedious syntax and more about bringing your creative visions to life. But Deepseek-V3's talents don't stop at coding. Content creators are also singing its praises. From generating engaging blog posts and articles to crafting compelling marketing copy, Deepseek-V3 is a content creation machine. It can even help you brainstorm ideas, refine your writing style, and ensure your content is optimized for maximum impact. And let's not forget about businesses. Deepseek-V3 can automate tedious tasks like data entry, web scraping, and report generation, freeing up valuable time and resources. It can even build and deploy chatbots for customer service, lead generation, or simply to entertain your website visitors. The possibilities are truly endless with Deepseek-V3. It's not just an AI agent, it's a digital Swiss Army knife, ready to tackle any challenge and revolutionize the way we work and create. Real users, real results. Deepseek-V3 user experiences. Deepseek-V3 is winning hearts and minds globally. Developers praise its coding assistance. Content creators love its content generation. Students enhance learning with it. Entrepreneurs launch startups. Artists push creative boundaries. Deepseek-V3 is a community of innovators. Section 6. Deepseek-V3 versus the competition, a comparative analysis. Now you might be thinking, okay, Deepseek-V3 sounds impressive, but how does it stack up against the competition? Well, let's just say that Deepseek-V3 is in a league of its own. While other AI models might excel in specific areas, Deepseek-V3 offers an unmatched combination of power, versatility, and affordability. Its massive MOE model and innovative architecture give it a significant edge in terms of performance and efficiency. Moreover, Deepseek-V3's open-source nature sets it apart from the competition. This means that developers can freely access, modify, and contribute to its development, fostering a collaborative and innovative ecosystem around the platform. And let's not forget about the price tag. While other advanced AI models often come with hefty subscription fees, Deepseek-V3 is completely free to use. That's right, all this incredible power is available at your fingertips without costing you a dime. While it's true that Deepseek-V3 might not be perfect for every single use case, its combination of power, versatility, affordability, and open-source nature makes it a clear winner in the ever-evolving world of AI. Section 7. Embracing the future. Why Deepseek-V3 matters. Deepseek-V3 isn't just another cool piece of technology. It represents a paradigm shift in the way we interact with artificial intelligence. Its accessibility, affordability, and open-source nature are breaking down barriers and democratizing access to powerful AI tools for everyone. This is a big deal. By empowering individuals and businesses with cutting-edge AI capabilities, Deepseek-V3 has the potential to unlock unprecedented levels of creativity, innovation, and problem-solving across various fields. Imagine a world where medical researchers can leverage Deepseek-V3 to accelerate drug discovery, where educators can personalize learning experiences for every student, and where entrepreneurs can bring their groundbreaking ideas to life with ease. That's the future that Deepseek-V3 is helping to create. It's time to embrace the future of AI, and Deepseek-V3 is leading the charge. By fostering a community of collaboration, innovation, and exploration, Deepseek-V3 is paving the way for a brighter, more AI-powered future for everyone. Section 8. Getting started with Deepseek-V3. Your journey to AI empowerment begins now. Ready to experience the Deepseek-V3 revolution firsthand? Getting started is easier than you might think. Simply head over to the official Deepseek-V3 website, and you'll find everything you need to embark on your AI journey. The website offers comprehensive documentation, tutorials, and a vibrant community forum where you can connect with fellow Deepseek-V3 enthusiasts, ask questions, and share your experiences. Whether you're a seasoned developer, a curious beginner, or simply someone who's excited about the potential of AI, Deepseek-V3 welcomes you with open arms. There's no need for complex installations or expensive hardware. Deepseek-V3 is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical expertise. So what are you waiting for? Take the plunge, explore the endless possibilities of Deepseek-V3, and unlock your true AI potential today. Section 9. Join the Deepseek-V3 revolution. We've only just scratched the surface of what Deepseek-V3 is capable of. As more and more people discover its power and versatility, who knows what incredible innovations and breakthroughs await? The Deepseek-V3 revolution is here, and it's only just beginning. Join the movement, embrace the future of AI, and let's explore the limitless possibilities together. Don't forget to spread the word and share your Deepseek-V3 experiences with the world. Together, we can unlock the full potential of AI and create a brighter future for everyone.